You're running strong, pushing your pace, maybe even chasing a new PR, and then, bam! A sharp stabbing pain hits under your ribs. That's the dreaded side stitch. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it happens, and I'll give you a simple step-by-step emergency plan you can use the next time it strikes, plus the best ways to prevent it from ever coming back. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll have a full game plan to stay pain-free and keep burning fat without interruptions. Welcome back to Shred Fat, the channel where we help you burn fat smarter, move better, and unlock your best performance. If you've ever been sidelined mid-run with a brutal side cramp, you know how frustrating it can be. Don't worry, you're not alone. Nearly 70% of runners experience side stitches at some point. The good news? You don't have to just put up with it. Let's dive into the science and the solutions. A side stitch, technically called exercise-related transient abdominal pain, or ETAP, is that sudden cramping or stabbing pain usually felt on the right side just below your ribs. Some people feel it as a sharp poke, others as a dull, lingering ache. It can hit during running, swimming, or even cycling. The intensity can range from mild discomfort to completely stopping you in your tracks. Why the right side? That's where the liver sits, and it's connected to your diaphragm by ligaments. When you're exercising, especially after eating or drinking, those ligaments get tugged, and your diaphragm feels the stress. What causes side stitches? Cause number 1, diaphragm strain. Your diaphragm is the main muscle that drives breathing. When you're running hard, it works overtime. If you're breathing shallow or erratic, the diaphragm can spasm, leading to that stabbing pain. Cause number 2, eating or drinking too much before exercise. If your stomach is full, it literally pulls on the diaphragm through those connecting ligaments. Combine that with bouncing movements like running, and you've got the perfect recipe for a stitch. Cause number 3, weak core and poor posture. If your abs and obliques aren't strong enough, your torso collapses as you fatigue. This compresses your diaphragm and limits efficient breathing. Cause number 4, shallow breathing. Chest-only breathing means less oxygen, more tension, and more stress on the diaphragm. Cause number 5, overdoing it too quickly. Jumping straight into high-intensity running without warming up can shock your system and increase the chance of a stitch. Emergency fix. Step-by-step plan. Here's the simple system you'll want to remember for the next time a side stitch hits. Step 1. Slow down. Ease into a jog or even a walk. Don't try to fight through it at full speed. It usually makes the pain worse. Step 2. Change your breathing rhythm. Exhale forcefully every time your left foot strikes the ground. Why the left? It takes pressure off the right side ligaments connected to your liver and diaphragm. Step 3. Belly breathing. Place one hand on your stomach. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth. This resets your diaphragm. Step 4. Stretch it out. Lift both arms overhead and gently lean away from the side of the stitch. This lengthens the diaphragm and relieves tension. Step 5. Massage the area. Press your fingers into the painful spot and apply gentle pressure while continuing to breathe deeply. This can relax the cramp. Step 6. Ease back in. Once the pain subsides, pick your pace back up gradually. Don't sprint immediately. Build back up. This emergency plan can knock out most stitches in under a minute or two. Preventing side stitches. Of course, the best fix is prevention. Here are some strategies to keep stitches from happening in the first place. Timing of meals. Avoid heavy meals or large amounts of liquid within 1 to 2 hours before running. Stick to small, easily digestible snacks if needed. Warm-up. Start with light cardio and dynamic stretches to prep your diaphragm and core. Strengthen your core. Exercises like planks, side planks, and rotational moves stabilize your torso and protect your diaphragm. Breathing drills. Practice deep belly breathing while walking or during warm-ups. This trains your diaphragm to work more efficiently. Progress gradually. Build up intensity in your workouts instead of going from 0 to 100. By combining these habits, you'll reduce your chances of ever feeling that stabbing side pain again. So, what's the takeaway? Side stitches are common, but they're not permanent. With the step-by-step emergency plan, you can stop them in their tracks. With the prevention strategies, you can make sure they don't come back. Remember, every step you take is an investment in your health and fat loss journey. Don't let a side stitch steal that momentum. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more science-based fat loss strategies, and drop a comment below. Have you ever had a side stitch? I'd love to hear your story and what worked for you. This is Shred Fat, helping you train smarter and burn fat faster. See you in our next video.